Quickly find any contact by typing their name or details in the search field. Filter your view by selecting a source for your contacts, making it easier to organize recruitment leads. Sort contacts with a single click using the status filter to focus on prospects or other key groups. Download a ready-to-use import Excel template to streamline adding multiple new contacts. Add new contacts in bulk by importing an Excel file. Speed up your recruitment process instantly. Export your entire contacts list for safe backup, easy sharing, or offline review. Confirm to download your contacts, your data, always at your fingertips. Add a fresh contact or prospect to keep your recruitment funnel growing. Fill in their details. Click Save to securely store new or updated candidate details in your database. Success! Candidate details have been saved for future hiring needs. Head back to your contact list anytime to keep the recruiting flow moving. Click the email icon next to a contact for fast, direct outreach, no need to search for addresses. Use the message icon for instant direct chats and quick candidate engagement. And if you ever need to update their info, just click the edit icon. Everything you need to manage your recruits all in one tab.